Introducing the COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6Qt, the game changer in your kitchen that's about to revolutionize the way you cook. Say goodbye to traditional cooking methods and hello to faster, healthier, and more delicious meals. This air fryer isn't just any kitchen appliance. It's a culinary powerhouse that offers unmatched versatility, lightning-fast cooking times, and exceptional results every time. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. 9-in-1 versatility. Experience the freedom to cook a wide variety of dishes with 9 different cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy roasted chicken, or perfectly baked pastries, this air fryer has got you covered. Perfectly even cooking. No more worrying about unevenly cooked food. The innovative 5-speed airflow system ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection from edge to edge, delivering consistently delicious results every time you use it. Lightning-fast cooking. Time is of the essence, and this TurboBlaze air fryer understands that. With its standard DC motors, it cooks up to 46% faster than the old COSORI series, allowing you to spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Instructions and recipes. Don't let your lack of cooking experience hold you back. With our step-by-step visual instructions and comprehensive online recipe library, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. From beginner-friendly recipes to expert-level dishes, we've got everything you need to elevate your cooking game.
6-quart capacity, cooking for a crowd, no problem. The spacious 6-quart nonstick basket allows you to cook large batches of food with ease, making it perfect for family dinners, parties, and gatherings.
95% less oil. Indulge in all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Our air fryer uses up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying methods, so you can enjoy the same crispy textures and delicious flavors without compromising on your health. Reduced operational noise. Cook in peace with our innovative snail shell reflector design, which minimizes noise levels for a quieter cooking experience. Say goodbye to loud kitchen appliances and hello to peaceful cooking sessions. Compact design. Save valuable counter space with our sleek and compact air fryer design. Its space-saving design allows you to store it easily in overhead spaces without sacrificing performance, making it perfect for kitchens of all sizes. Dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. The non-stick cooking basket and detachable components are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Upgrade your cooking experience with the COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6Qt and unlock a world of culinary possibilities. With its unmatched versatility, lightning-fast cooking times, and exceptional results, this air fryer is a must-have for any kitchen. Try it now and transform the way you cook. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.